remember the day when the Eucharist went from something that I might believe in to something that would change my life. Our parish priest had often been asking all of us parishioners to do some spiritual reading and to pray before we came to Mass, to prepare for what we were entering into. And it was a good thing he did, because on the opportunity that I had to do that, I picked up the Bible and I opened it up to the Gospel of John. And what I opened up to was the bread of life discourse. Jesus preaching in John chapter 6 that this is my body, this is my blood. I couldn't believe what I was reading. For a long time, I'd thought that this was something that we had somehow extrapolated from Jesus' teachings. It was something we believed, but Jesus didn't actually say. I can't name the number of times that I had heard that particular gospel passage. For some reason, I'd never actually listened. But on this moment, when I was in my mid-20s, I finally listened as I read. And I headed to Mass that day with my eyes wide open in extraordinary wonder at what was happening there on the altar. And for the first time, I genuinely believed. This is Jesus. Body and blood, soul and divinity, right here in front of me. And from that moment on, Mass became the most extraordinary treasure.